My name is May Go. I'm a development engineer at QGC. The favorite part of my job is the diversity of the work. No two projects that I work on in my line of work is the same. There's always a difference in terms of scope, the challenges that you face along the way you approach problems, and also the people that you interact with to get the information that you need. So for instance, at the moment I'm working on a project to upgrade our current compression facilities, and at the same time I'm also working on another project alongside a third-party contractor developing a design for the existing gathering system. So as you can see, it's really diverse, and sometimes I'm even exposed to things that are outside of my discipline area when I've got to work on project economics and cash flow and cost estimates. So it's a continuous learning process, and I really enjoy it. I was born into a family of engineers. My uncles were engineers, and all my cousins at the time were studying to become engineers. So I guess from an early age, I was exposed to the idea of engineering as a career path. When I was in college, I found my passion for chemistry and physics, so I decided to study chemical engineering at university. Ultimately, I really wanted a career in an industry that would allow me to do lots of traveling, which was why I chose oil and gas. And looking back at my past 4 years in the industry, I've had a lot of opportunities to work in different countries, and I've never looked back. Being in the industry has definitely allowed me to do lots of travel. It's allowed me to live in different countries and meet people from different backgrounds and cultures. And all these experiences have really helped mold me into a more well-rounded person. It's also made me a lot more open to new challenges. So things that I thought would be, boring or really scary, things that I didn't want to do, turned out to be some of the more interesting and enriching experiences that I've had in my career. I think my main advice would just to focus on being as best as you can at your job, rather than worrying about things outside of your control, worrying about being a woman in a male-dominated industry. From my experience, as long as you're enthusiastic and you're willing to learn, and you take pride in producing good quality work, and you will automatically gain the respect and recognition of your co-workers and management.